Hello, Colleen. I'm making this video to show you how to use your track changes on a Mac. I use Mac, so I'm delighted to hear that you're using that. It makes things a lot easier. I'm just going to double click on this emotional weight, right click on this so you can get the download. Now you'll see that little thing, happy little thing that went over. It was just a little animation from Mac. I have my downloads folder pinned down here. You'll see it. This is my downloads folder, but you can just go to Finder, which everybody has that use a Mac. In my Finder, I have my downloads favorited, and I just click on downloads, and there it is. Or you can go to all my files, and if you arrange your files according to date modified, all you have to do is just click on this, and it'll bring all of your most recent files to the top, and you see emotional weight right there at the top. So I'm going to double click on that. It's going to open automatically in Word. I use Word for Mac as well. And I'll show you how to do this with Pages, because you can use Pages, and the advantage with that is if something happens and your battery runs out, or anything happens at all, your Pages file is saved automatically to the cloud. And because I use a Mac, you can just completely forget about Word altogether and use Pages if you want. But I'm going to show you Word for Mac first, because it's a Word file. So to track changes, all you do is click on Review, and then you'll see track changes over here, on, off. Just click on, and then just go through and make whatever changes you need, and I will be able to see them very easily. And I'll put that into your ebook, and we'll be good to go. Be sure, after you finish, or even I would actually do it now. Click File and Save As, and save it as revised. I don't know why my computer did this, but revised emotional weight. Save it wherever you can easily find it, like your desktop. And I put all my files on my desktop because it's just easier for me to find. So, and then make changes, save it, and then upload that saved document, or email it to me. Upload it either to Google Drive, or save it and send it to me as an email attachment. Either way will work. So let's look at this same file in Pages. I'm not going to save it because I don't need to. Okay, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to right-click on this file, open with, and you have all these happy little programs. I'm going to choose Pages 6.1 because that's my most recent edition of Pages. And you see right here at the top, track changes. I'm going to click on that, and it's on because I have my default set for on, so I can always track my changes. So then you can just make whatever changes you want in the document, and then save it, email it to me, or upload it onto Google Docs. Let me know if you have any additional questions. In emotional weight, there should be, let's just scroll down here. I'm sorry that this bothers your eyes. Okay, there are several errors in this file, or lots of information that's missing, and I flagged them with comments. So this is what a comment looks like. If you just click on it, it'll say incomplete, and I have them both in bold and in the comment. So if you just hover over that, it'll say what I need, and then you can just put your cursor here and type whatever you need to type to make that complete. I hope that you have this book saved in some other kind of file format, and you can just paste in whatever's missing. But I don't know. So there's only like 21 of these comments. So if I were you, I suggest you just scroll down and look. I made a note. I didn't really know what this was. Changes made one choice at a time. I just put that in italics and centered it because it looked ornamental to me, which means an ornament means you could take it out and nothing would be missing. But then again, I don't know what's going on here. And then this sentence, then the bigger unrealistic choices that only produce anxiety and frustration. It's not really a complete sentence. Do you mean change is made one choice at a time rather than the bigger unrealistic choices? So I didn't know what to do there. So just scroll through this and make whatever revisions you want, and I will be able to see. Some of this stuff, we are all human. This is due to a formatting issue from going from the ebook the um, to the Word document to Pages. Don't worry about this stuff. What you can do is just all I did was do a backspace and remove that space, and you can do that if you want. If not, it doesn't. That stuff doesn't matter. That's going to be taken care of in the ebook process. So anyway, thanks again for choosing me, and let me know if you need any additional help.